Tell me your name, brother boy. If you name blood clot, Sir P, don't talk about me. Cause Sir P always get him facts blood clot right. That's why every real murder respect Sir P. Hey, I'm gonna have a bomb buckler fuck. Hey, don't let me show you where my face no pussy. You know what I'm saying? Me don't want a weak blood clot brother boy. Go talk about me now. We don't look small facts now.
Yo, countryman. Let them know I'm new to this. Been around a little. Why so much true to this? Have no points to prove, but me pushing it. Yeah. Let them know me pushing it. This is the realest done. Representing for Jamaica first, country first. So we the study bad mind people. Yeah. We don't care who I deal with evil. Tell them so no matter what them do or say. The vengeance will rise, I'll rise. Could that pre but the night or day. It don't matter what the pagans say. Tell them. The realest done. You dig?
Dear, my wonderful people, it's me again, the great. Great. One more great and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, St. Vincent Boss, Bongo Natty, Dreadlocks, big up yourself. All the people them in all of the Caribbean island. Trinidad, the second home. Yo, realest done, big up. Now, only hear that video there, a clip with the youth attack. Him say, yo, him rate Sir P, all of the other Batman vlogger them, I talk about how him are the most wanted, blah blah blah. But what strike me about this guy is couple things. This guy is totally in a catatonic state of mind. Pretty much delusional. And him say him kill him auntie, our wife, the husband and the pitney. And him a kill off him friend them. Apparently he's wanted because I didn't see Sir P video. I didn't even know this video was going around. I kinda click on YouTube and it pop up. I'ma say, yo, I have to play that video, yeah. I'ma want to talk about it. Let's go.
Bad man, me a call you and answer phone, dog. I say, sleep at night time, brother. Dog, from I left out of your place, and he will call back my bad man. Charge it. I tell you, it's no father. No pussy now go this me and get in, dog. Especially my friend them, you hear that? Charge him, tell you, dog. You get mad like blood clot, you go see me on the news. Anyway, I same time, you see me get mad out and I come on the news, my father. Everyone of my friends have to go run, you hear that? I'm going to take it as a threat or anything I want to take it from, dog. I don't expect fool like you to cheat me, so dog. Get me, I say, I spend my money around and do everything around, dog. Charge me, tell you, say, I come from my life for everybody, boy. Anyone who see me car pull up on a run. Clarendon most wanted and me that right now, yeah. Charge me, tell you, dog. You see, all I'm friend of me, I say, I'm town man, I call it today. Never expect you to cheat me, say, town man, all what I go on now. Me never expect you to cheat me, say, yeah. I see I roll with all your friends of me, I never hear you call me and introduce me to none of them, you know. Tell them, say, you got this and them sitting there, Charlie. But watch, dog, every pussy I get busted on that, Charlie. And they better kill me, anyone who see me bust me, pussy, my father. Put on your cup and get in the guts up, my father. Right now, I drive and kill out the whole of my friend in my McLaren and anybody boy when I mean to me. From my wife dead, me I suffer, you hear that?
Boy, me nah lie. The youth here, I don't know enough how to see him already. Cause it seems like Sir P talk on him like me say. And him say Sir P are the best vlogger. And enough gunman rate Sir P. Him say rapper crapper a pussy. Ah boy. And now me I go talk about him. The youth here me I call him Walking Dead. Me no know what happened to him. I don't know the situation. It seems like him kill him family, like him say. And the youth them who used to flex with him, now deal with him no more. And other P family member now deal with him. It seems like he's in hiding. He must show a gun, he must show a knife, and he must threaten people. And it say the Jamaica Constabulary Force is looking for him. This youth here don't have nothing to live for. It's very sad.
Suffer, you hear that? I mean, you want to beg you nothing bumbo, but me just asking and done, you hear that? Bad boy, watching the man, you hear me I say? Put that for your status, no, you hear me I tell you? And say, you go give you all of your friend them, no. Dog, your status, me I watch, you hear that? Fling that up, no, brother. 90 days in this father, you hear that? Dog, you talk about it, plug up my father, put me for your status, post it now. Dog, me tell Batty boy elevator here, so me I go mash up in bend. No, me no want nobody I try to be in the place. Until nobody want that want money. And tell Speed of God, you know. Say me want 1 million, me come down in a $10 million Batty boy Speed of God slung pan now. You know, father. I'm tell any.
You want to Batty blogger boy talk about me and me most wanted from Clarendon. Pussy me the most wanted long time. But get this blood class straight. Ask every chopper down there, none of them ever try me. Me a millionaire from 7 years ago. I'm even calling Batty man father money. I know my father supposed to super rich on me. Me what you see here, worth over $1.5 million US. Ask Batty man Speed of God and him friend them. And every one of them. None of them in my league. Pussy. My own house a Birmingham where me never sleep in a second mother. And $50 million I spend on Speed of God and the one of my killers them from 2000 bomber clock 17 to 2022. No more dead and God left me.
It's very, very, very sad. I am quite sure from listening to this young man, him have a mental problem. Me personally, if I was in the government, people like them here, would catch them, put them in a mental prison, mental hospital prison, and we would actually study them, and them wouldn't get a chance to come back out the road. You understand? We'd actually study them and see what it is that's triggering people like this. Me, I just say poverty. A lot of people disagree with me. It can be DNA. I don't know. I am not a doctor, but this young man right here, it's a real sad look. And I'm actually trying to find words to describe him. Now, I know when the police catch him, them are gonna kill him. And that's another sad story. Because I'm saying,
I left me. I say I love me, I'm a mother now. I'm a friend them, me teach them a game. Me kill for them, rob for them, turn them into Somali. And now, me come out, me tell Batty boys I will can't money come. Cause more dead and my money free. But you know what I'm telling them, my business pussy. You don't know my money free, I'm telling you. Why don't you know? Cause you know me coming in, me carry $1 million. Batty boy. And me, I the blood clot man. I walk with that 3, 4, $5 million back. And I get dirty stinking Janko. Don't blood clot me a big Batty vlogger boy. Any of me knows vlogger say I'm gonna kill him now, no? Tell me your name, vlogger boy. If you name blood clot Sir P, don't talk about me. Cause Sir P always get him facts blood clot right. That's why every real murder respect Sir P. Hey, I'm gonna have a bomb buckler fuck. Hey, don't let me show you where my face is pussy. You know what I'm saying? Me no want a weak blood clot vlogger boy. Go talk about me now. We don't look small facts now. Ask the police about me up in the pussy. Ask them. I want more can feed police. I tell me spend my money now.
all the police is doing is killing off our population. We have an army, we have a police force. The army and the police force join and them attack these garrisons and kill off the people them that commit crime. No solution to the problem. Like you would hear the national security minister come out and, like, for example, you have the the beryllium robbery them a go on, and his approach to it is like, oh, we're in parliament and we're gonna draft up a new law that gives security guard better training. And to me, stuff like that is just fucking rhetoric, talking head, whereas the real problem is it's the poverty, the lack of resources. I'm quite sure if people have good housing, good health care, good schooling, good job opportunities, they wouldn't be so reckless and don't give a fuck.
I'm gonna watch my phone. Cause I get paranoid and I'm soon dead. So I left my money on top spending. Cause I want to tell them to give me $2 to them. So batty boys, come and carry the money come give me. I only remember buy 3 AK dog. Cause when you me link speed and him batty man friend them now. And him a suck cocky bed money them and J Cool them on him now. And you know introduce me to them and I'm a dad no batty boy. You know when the speeder to all me build a youth. And I look a fool boy. When you make money, I say, yo, buy a car, batty boy. You see me have much car already. I say, pussy buy gun. Before man box the ears. Vlogger boy, you talk about me a chat. Why you think they can't answer? Cause me LMV2 and different apart from helping them know me a murderer youth. Ask me ugly man and father about me, from me a pity me a kill. Me kill more than 100 people. Police are nothing to me. Yes, they can't find me, they can't touch me. Last time, I got me out of bail and video call the police and say, pussy, read me before me done bail. Alright, since I say I go on, I kill 10 police. I 3 AK me buy, brother. Bulletproof vest. Me have 300 rounds for each gun. Go suck on the mother, batty vlogger boy. I'm there, sir. You see a big pussy rapper crapper. Batty boy, they call them, them think them pussy. And they post them junko. Hey, let me tell you blood clot now. I mean, them killing them bomb buckler kill. All night me and I come to gym. Many like young Sam. 1, 4F. Go watch you one boy. And stop fucking go watch you one. Learn that. The laughing people. Listen. Ask the police and why they look for me. 2 of my friends stress me out. Me go up on my yard. Go chop up my auntie. Chop up my husband. And chop up his son. Me alone.
You know, me have brethren where even me have enough time, me have to talk myself out of doing some crazy stuff because sometimes life comes at you in a crazy way. I don't understand how we're gonna move forward as a country and not address the real underlying issues. For example, like classism uptown, downtown. People can't get a job for the address where them live. This big educational baggage and blockage. Example, you can't get certain jobs if you not have this a degree, that the degree. And then when you have the degree, there is still no jobs. Government have to streamline things and bring people into the workforce. For example, I heard Mr. Chang made a comment again that the scammers them, they're fully done and them drop out of school, but they were able to start trapping, meaning the line, and convince people overseas to give them money, and the so-called dunce, them a drop out of school, was able to create proxies, so when they track the wire or the conversation or whatever, it goes from America to England to this to that. That's what proxies mean. So they set up different IP proxies. So I say that to say this. All that shows me is that the government is not investing back into the Jamaican people. Every time
I'm in a take coke, I'm in a take pill. All the thing with a bun cigarette and drink water. Some of them jugs. Just don't want to pussy style me. Hey, let me tell you that straight. Tonight I come kill 3 man. Hey, don't ramp with me in a back, brother. I'm not found me kill out already, I don't know now. Hey, let me tell you straight. If you see anything when I ramp with blood clot, man. Elevator. Walk with 20 guns, me I kill them, shoot up a vehicle and set them out. No little cheap black can ramp with me. Cheap like a fuckery. The whole of my gun in my full iron. You know what is an AK batty boy? AK flick. And tear up your blood clot BMW and tear up your ass and batty boy. Tell the sucker police them. Say when now come from me pussy. Bring soldier when you can't manage me. When you look at 16 light. Yes, you don't come from me what they want me do. When me disappear, none of them see what I done. I just me 2 killer when I see. And me 2 killer disappear. I just see they could eat that one in the wall. But you know kill family. Now for me can go batty boy, I say yo, kill me auntie for me. And kill me cousin. And kill the batty boy and fuck me auntie. Boy come tell me say, him not kill the bomb buckler family and the family. That means he never kill nobody. Cause anybody kill a life after this my family. What you do, father? Me pull out my gun and take out my blood clot and start chop them. Me kill the husband and sleep now. When my auntie flap them, hold them and chop him a million times now. I'm a produce blood clot. I'm a days robbing my uncle. The reason me hug up and say, oh, me not kill her tonight.
they do a sweep of the neighborhood, there should be programs there to help people economically with other things. We go on to see the little youth Akeef Nugent. This young man start a school. He's not getting any help. All you have, people talking to him, this, that, interviews, whatnot. But the actual people them with money and power and influence, they're not spending the time to address these things. And another thing, with all these guns that's coming into Jamaica with the open borders, people are more informed. Everybody now is an expert. It begs me to think that this election coming up might be a very dangerous election. It might be serious because remember, like I said, every gang live in our area and the areas them is split by political party. All this that we are experiencing, it's a neglect of the Jamaican people. The education, like I said, how them administer education, the system is broken. Things need to streamline more. And it's just a host of different problems. But like I said, with a video like this, in my opinion, it highlights the major issues we're facing in Jamaica and even other parts of the Caribbean because, like I say, this guy, he is able to scam, like him say, have people around him scamming, this, that, and all of that is because of opportunity. And when I say opportunity, I'm speaking economic opportunity and government opportunity. Now, I'm quite sure if this guy was getting a universal income, he would be less inclined to go scam for money. But obviously, like I said, the government leave up the system, no resources, the uptown, downtown, the educational blockage and the prejudice that plays into the society, and this is what we're reaping. My question is, how much longer can the police them kill off the community, and how much longer can the community them kill off each other? That's the $1 million question before we hit the boiling point. Now, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And this is the way I feel about it. I'm out.